I'm here with Lacey from Landscapers Pride, and we are going to be talking about bed mixes.
Yes. I have two different soils I wanted to talk about. We have planting mix here and landscapers mix here. And let's go ahead and open up planting mix and see what it looks like. And we go more into detail. This is a soil that is perfect for building up a new bed. It has simple sand, composted aged pine, and it composts peat as well. It'll hold a lot of nutrients and moisture in your beds. It is just a simple, great starting soil.
So when do I put this one down?
So when you're establishing or building up a new bed, this is a great soil for that.
All right, and you can feel the compost in it.
Definitely.
Okay, you can feel the nutrients almost.
Very soft and fine.
Yes, and then we've got the landscapers mix.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
Landscapers mix is a soil that is pine-based, and it's definitely coarser, and you'll see that as it comes out.
Yeah.
You can see a little bit of perlite in there as well.
The perlite is the white specks?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is also great for incorporating into existing beds so that you can, it has a little bit of fertilizer in here for about 3 months feed, so you can leave it and forget it and it should do its job.
That's great.
It is light and airy, so as you can imagine, you'll get a lot of oxygen and a lot of growth for roots based on this.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited to get these. I actually have a couple of new beds that I need to start working on, and this will be great for it.
Yes.
And my old beds, you know, your beds kind of get dry on the top, and you can tell that it needs some protection and some nutrition.
Perfect for refreshing.
Right, yes. A little refresh. So thank you very much for coming and showing us the difference between the two and when and where we use them.
Yes, absolutely. And you can also put these together if you are a DIYer. So it's a nice little hack.
That's great. Right, because it won't harm anything. It won't harm your plants. It's only going to bring nutrition and protection to the roots.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks very much, Lacey from Landscapers Pride. And this is Home Show Garden Pros. Find us on HomeShowGardenPros.com and follow us on YouTube.